Alright y'all, so right here we have it. It's super dark. Look how bright these shits are. It's gonna illuminate the whole damn city. Check this out.
I want it, I like it, I buy it. I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Based on the title, based on the thumbnail, you guys know that we are going to be installing some premium headlight bulbs today. Okay, we are going to be doing an HID to LED conversion, all because of today's sponsors, baby. Okay, today's sponsors are LASFIT auto lighting, and even though I'm sponsored, I wasn't sponsored before, so I can vouch for this. I have already bought some lights from them. Before, when I had my gray G, I'll even post like a clip right here, long time ago, I bought some green LEDs. I wanted to put them on the side markers. It was kind of like my green accent I had at the time. So everybody kept telling me, where did you grab those green lights? They are super bright, one of the brightest in the game. So today we are going to be installing them in the headlights, which I'm super excited about. LASFIT made it super easy to convert your HID to LED. You guys will see the process in just a moment. So if you guys are interested in their lights, if you guys want the brightest lights out there in the automotive community, feel free to visit lasfit.com. Go ahead, check them out. You can use BD10, that's for BeDistinct. Use BD10 for 10% off on your purchase, okay? Even get freaking dome lights. Get some dome lights here for your car. Here inside, you will have the brightest dome lights. Everybody will be telling, bro, where are you getting these bright ass dome lights? Where's the plug? LASFIT is the plug, all right? Get the dome lights. You want some bright ass headlights? Get the headlights as well, okay? Now today we're gonna show you that process. I'm excited to show you guys, and towards the end of the video I did take out the purple G to its first car meet, and we had a little bit of fun, so we're gonna show you that as well. So without further ado, let's begin today's day. Little update, the thing that we were missing from the G, it finally came through. We're gonna be finishing that and officially posting it up for sale. We'll do that in another video. So if you step into my room real quick, you'll see that we got the box right here filled with our fender liners. Nothing too special. Move over here to the side and we have our station right here. We do got the action clutch, and here we go, our sponsored product. This is the product we used in last video. This is the Katana. You guys, give you a sneak peek for upcoming video right here. Look at that. Ooh. Like I said, it is stage 2. We did get a flywheel. We didn't just get the clutch kit. We also got a flywheel. Don't worry, guys. With that being said, let's go ahead and open this product for you guys. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we got the product manual. We got some LASFIT auto lighting. We got some stickers. Pretty nice. I gotta collect them right here on my wall. We already got LRB speed. Might have to put the LASFIT one right there. How does that look? Oh, yup. These, oh man. Got the intercooler in the back. Nah, just kidding. The cooling fans. And it comes already with the ballast. So you know, in the previous video, we only got this part of the light, and we had to connect it to our original ballast. Well, this already comes with the ballast, so you can just remove the whole ballast and install this on the headlight. Super easy, man. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and go with the process. Let's take off the headlight. See, so for right here, this is the headlight from the back. You just grab this clip right here. Okay, it's not coming off, but we're gonna take it off. You take off this clip, take off this right here, and then we're gonna unbolt this right here. You take it all off, and then you can take off the entire ballast. Usually you would want to re-keep these because you only get the headlight bulb, but we can actually replace this because you guys saw in the product, it actually comes with this, which is super nice. So let's go ahead and do that. So this was like this. You just twist it to the left. This comes off. This is, you have this little yellow wire connected over here for ground purposes. You remove this yellow wire right here. You twist this to the left a little bit, and then you pull it off. Now this is free. Now the rest of this is actually connected to the ballast. You just gotta bolt these 3 screws, take it out, and then you got a sensor and a small little bolts for grounding purposes, just like this one. Alright, so you guys saw we just took off the purple sensor that goes in here. This just has a small little clip right there. You just press it, it comes off. Then you have that little bolt that goes into here, which is that small bolt right there. Whatever you do here, guys, a pro tip here from me, since I already done this 1,000 times and it's happened to me 1,000 times. When you're taking all this stuff, you know, you have these holes, big holes right here, and then you got small little bolts like this, or even the big ones like that. They can fall in there, and you do not want to go into that hassle and try to shake the whole headlight trying to take that off. Trust me, you do not want to go through that issue. So when you're doing all this, please be careful and just like aim it to the side a little bit and try to guide the bolts out of the headlight housing whatsoever, because you do not want to go in there and having to struggle and all that. this is gonna fit here on top. So we're actually gonna go ahead and be able to keep both, I believe, the Amazon one and this. So I guess we can basically just compare it to the OEM Halogen one and see how that goes. Oh, that's gonna be a big difference. We were able to keep the Amazon ones back there with another intercooler in the back. Damn. All right, so we got everything, all the plugs connected. This plug is gonna connect to this plug. Everything should be cool, and then we can go ahead and test fit it. Man, these are gonna be amazing. All right, let's go ahead and check this out. All right guys, the car is done. We're about to turn off the lights and then see how it goes. I'm gonna see if I can block the light with one here. Let's remove these clips right here. The one on the left, this is the OEM one with the original the yellow light bulb. This is the Optimus Prime home. This is with the Amazon one and the LASFIT LED HID to LED conversion. Okay, so these are just the LED bulbs. These are nothing to do with the light bulbs. These are just the actual headlight housing. Just thought I'd give you a little sneak peek, but let's go. Wow, look at that. We could hear the fans in the Optimus Prime working. But you see, those are the yellow ones. Jesus, look, my camera even had to adjust. Look how even that is. Super strong throughout the whole. You can really see that strong line. It just beaming at you, laser. Okay, this is probably gonna illuminate the whole damn city, not just the road, the whole damn city. If you're missing electricity, this got you. And now let's go back to the other one. It's really yellow, it's kind of dim. You know, I kind of feel like I'm in a creepy movie. It's not that. But then we go over here and we in heaven, boy. We in heaven. Look at that. All right, y'all, so right here we have it. It's super dark. Look how bright these shits are. It's gonna illuminate the whole damn city. Check this out. Look at that. It's so much wider, so much brighter, and it goes so much further. It's almost like my high beams. These are my high beams. Oh shit, you can see from across the road. It's ridiculous. And if you guys wanted to see that same bright light in reference to the other previous clips, all right, so that's the freaking the OEM ones right now with the halogen headlights. Well, way brighter, just so you guys didn't think that I was lying. It really is that bright. So there you go. The neighbors across the street just said right now, they're like, who turned on the lights? And I was like, oh no, it's the car outside, because that's how bright it was. I lit up their whole damn living room. Oh my God, this is awesome. All right, we got the Jeep parked right there in the Z. I was looking at his car real quick. Y'all know how I was swapping my interior in my car from tan to black. He did pretty much the same. Your thing was black, no? It was already black, your headliner? It was tan? So he had tan interior in his 352. He didn't paint it. It's actual black suede, bro. And it actually came out super good, bro. How did you do this? You looked it up online?
No, I work in upholstery.
Oh, you work in that shit?
Yeah.
This one, you didn't tell me, fucker. Man, this one works for West Coast Customs for this shit. Damn, we mobbing, bro. Hey. All right, guys, we made it to the meet, nice and safe. We were told that my parking spot is probably not the best since they do donuts around here, so we could be a victim. We just got a new sticker, BeDistinct, bro, because I left the ones on my YG, so shout out to my boy, man. I'm gonna put his IG right here. Dude, huge shout out. Freaking awesome, bro. Yeah. The splitter? He's got APR splitter. Damn. Got an NSX right here, chilling. Oh shit, we got a party going on right here. Got Miami blue Aston Martin, bro. It's a little bluer in real life. Right now the camera's not really doing it justice, but man. And we got an F-Type R. You know it's an F-Type R if you got quad exhaust, bro. Unless he put quad exhaust on a V6. Hey, it's even open. It's open, you know, because the handle's popping out. Maybe we can hop in, take it for a spin. We could use a little headlight restoration on him. It's all right. We'll hook him up. We'll hook him up on the low. Ooh, he's got the Lamborghini Aventador taillights, bro. Got the whole squad after footsaw and some mics. Damn. We got the G right there. These boys are trying to figure out they have a dipstick for the transmission oils. Did you find it? Man, I need to get my boys one light, bro. Got that weak ass speaker.
Just
same shit as his.
Oh, that's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. Hey, Danny, tell us a joke, bro. Come on.
What joke?
Like,
You're
you
weak.
saw
You
drinking
play like
beer
Quack.
after the game.
You're weak. You play like Quack today.
Ah!